Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are going to be unboxing window well covers. If you're interested, you can find this product in my video description. These are the cheapest ones that I could find, so keep that in mind. Well, they look pretty nice. I don't think they're cracked. It looks a little bent, but besides that, not bad at all. So yeah, we'll have to install them and see how they look installed. Alright, so we got one put on. It doesn't match up 100%. But given the price and everything, we're going to make it work. We just need to seal it so it doesn't blow away. So we're going to use 3M tape for that. 3M tape can be bought, well, I'll put a link in the video description where you guys can get it. But for the most part, this will keep the water out.
Wanna know